This is Seema Pathak from Nilanj Tutorial. Today I am going to explain you all about heredity and evolution. This question was asked by Anand Kushwaha and here is the solution for it. Heredity. What do you mean by heredity? Transfer of biological characters from one generation to the next one. इसका मतलब ऐसे characters जो एक generation से दूसरे generation में pass होते हैं, हम उसे heredity कहते हैं. Next, evolution. The way in which living organism changes and develop over million of years. इसका मतलब कि जब हम कोई चेंज देखते हैं जिसको एक लंबा समय लगता है, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल हमारे पूर्वज बंदर थे, आज हम एक इंटेलेक्चुअली स्मार्ट ह्यूमन बीइंग है, तो ये जो चेंज था वो काफ़ी लंबे समय के बाद हुआ है. सच काइंड ऑफ चेंजेस इज कॉल्ड इवोल्यूशन. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज जेनेटिक्स. It is a branch of biology which concerns with the study of genes, its variation and heredity in organism. यह वह ब्रांच है बायोलॉजी का जो कि स्टडी करता है. किसकी स्टडी करता है? जीन्स. उसमें कैसे वेरिएशंस आते हैं, हेरिडिटी क्या होता है, उसी को हम क्या कहते हैं? जेनेटिक्स कहते हैं. नाउ इन जेनेटिक्स there is a huge history from which we are going to study about few of them. In 1886, Gregor Johann Mendel, here he was the one who has introduced inheritance. How he has introduced inheritance? With the help of a series of experiments on pea plant to explain inheritance of characters. He is also known as the pioneer of modern genetics. After that, in 1901, Hugo de Veres, he has given mutational theory in which he has explained the reason behind the sudden changes. Then in 1902, Walter and Sutton, he has explained the paired chromosomes in grasshopper cells. After that, the trio, that is Oswald Avery, Maclean McCarthy and Colin McLeod, they have explained about all the organisms that they have genetic material in the form of DNA except viruses. After that, in 1961, Francois Jacob and Jack Monard, they have explained with the help of a model for process of protein synthesis with the help of DNA in bacterial cells. After the process of protein synthesis was discovered, the world came to know about various field of genetic codes hidden in DNA, genetic engineering, and even the emergence of technique of recombinant DNA technology. Now, this recombinant DNA technology has given a now, this recombinant technology is used in various fields. The benefit of science of heredity is that we can easily diagnose the hereditary disorders. And next one is we can treat the incurable hereditary disorders. Even we can prevent the hereditary disorder. This study can also be helpful in the production of hybrid varieties of animals and plants. Even use of microbes in the industrial processes can be done. So student, today we have studied about heredity, evolution, what do you mean by genetics, history of genetics, various scientists who has contributed in the field of genetics, and where we can use the study of genetics. So today we have studied about heredity and evolution. For more details about this topic, you can further see my different videos, and please subscribe and like my channel.